Hi everybody, this is Mr. Jason. Today we are going to draw DAngelo Russell. He's a famous basketball player that's played for teams like the Los Angeles Lakers, Golden State Warriors, the Brooklyn Nets, and currently plays for the Minnesota Timberwolves. We're going to be drawing this for Evan, who had a fantastic week. Congratulations. Also, just so everybody knows that I'm trying to be fair, here's one of our vocabulary words. We're trying to get everybody a turn to pick what we draw before we do any repeats or let somebody pick for a second time. So this week is Evan's turn. Okay, so you need a pencil, you need paper. We're going to do portrait, much taller than it is wide. Portrait, pencil, eraser. I'm going to use a Sharpie so you can see it a little bit better. And we're going to start this drawing with a long line. It's going to be vertical, up and down, and then we're going to switch into a diagonal. So let's go ahead and begin DAngelo Russell. So see how it's straight up and down, and then slightly diagonal. At the bottom of the diagonal, we're going to do a shoe. And that shoe is just kind of a curved shape. We'll do the details a little bit later. Come back up in the diagonal. A little bump. That'll be for the knee. And then we're going to do a curved line up. Over here, we're going to draw a curved line and come up. So you have a curved line, you go up, right here, diagonal line. And come back on this side, a little bump, diagonal line, and this other shoe. And diagonal line back up. Now add a little detail. Curved line for the shoe. Curved line for another part of the shoe. Another little curved line and a straight line, just some athletic shoe details. And then outline here that goes along the bottom of the shoe. We're going to do the same over here. Curved line. The top part of the shoe. Curved line along the bottom. We're going to come all the way back up here. A horizontal line from one side to the other with a little squiggle in the middle. I'm going to come up. And here in the middle, I'm going to draw just a diagonal line in the little area of the jersey. We're going to come over here, see where this line ends, move over a little bit, and draw a diagonal line. Curve up and around, diagonal line down. We're going to finish this arm on both sides. And then make a hand. We're going to just start with like a shape that looks like a Lego figure's hand, a mitten, curved line, and a thumb. And then inside the mitten part, we add lines for the fingers. And then a W above that to show knuckles. On the other side, his other arm, we're going to draw a curved line and come down. Off the side here, and draw a curved line and then straight out. And then finish his arm over here, straight out. So we have the two lines for the arms. Over here, we're going to draw a basketball. It's a circle. And in this basketball, curved line, a smaller curved line on the other side. We're going to draw a curved line through the middle. And two lines that go right through the middle of the areas that we had there. We're going to draw a circle here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 little curved lines there for his hand. And then we'll finish the arm. It's a bit longer than I want, but that's okay. Underneath the basketball, draw a couple of curved lines showing that it's coming up. Come down here. Draw some lines showing a bounce. And curved lines going back the other way. In a straight line. It shows action. It shows that the ball is moving up. Now we have to add some details to these arms. DAngelo wears a sleeve, so we just draw a curve. Come over here and finish the jersey on that side. It's just a line that goes up. And we're going to start his face. Finish his shoulder over here. I'm going to draw a U shape for where the jersey comes down. And we are going to start with a U. Draw a U shape. Now, Mr. Russell here has probably just scored his 30th point, so he's going to be smiling. Draw a half circle. For his nose, just kind of a V shape. For his eyes, over here, draw a straight line and a diagonal line. And a dot. On the other side, straight line, curved line, and a dot. And draw some eyebrows. I'm going to draw a headband, curved line, straight line, and connect them. We come over here to the side of the head and just draw the beginnings of his ear. Connect the head to the body with a neck. A little curved line that shows it's his neck. And we need to draw Mr. Russell's hair. Now, DAngelo Russell has dreadlocks, so we're going to draw kind of a tube shape. We'll do several of these going around. Just draw the same shape. When we get to the top, it'll be a little bit shorter. Now for his facial hair, his beard, we're just going to draw lines straight up and down. Go around his mouth and under his nose. Let's add a horizontal line from one side to the other to show the basketball court that he's on. And now we get to finish up with adding details to make him look more like a basketball player. So he needs to have a gym short. We're going to draw a curved line this way, go up with a little V shape, and finish that line. Draw a curved line and a curved line because his shorts have a stripe. On the other side, we'll draw that same stripe. He's wearing knee pads, so we're going to draw a curved line around that knee. Curved line going up, and a curved line going down. Same thing on this knee. Curved line going up, showing the pad. Curved line. Curved line. Finish that. Now, I hope Evan is okay with me doing this. DAngelo Russell has worn two different numbers. He's currently wearing the number 0, but almost his entire career he's worn the number 1. So I'm going to draw the 1. If you want to draw the 0, that's perfectly fine. So in the middle of his jersey, straight line up, straight line up. Connect the bottom. Little line out, diagonal, come across, and connect those. That is a 1. Now for the team he's playing with, he's currently playing with the Wolves. I think Evan really likes it when he played for the Nets, so we're going to write Nets. You can write Wolves if you want. So N-E-T-S. We're almost done. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, Evan, but DAngelo's got a couple of tattoos. We're going to draw a wristband, curved line up on that wrist. And on this arm, we're going to come up with some tattoos real fast. I know he has a checkerboard on one arm, so we're going to just draw 2 lines, and then several other lines like that. Connect it. And draw a line across, and then you color in every other. Quick checkerboard. And then draw other shapes that you like, that you're interested in. Maybe a circle, a heart, squiggly line, any tattoos you want. Maybe happy face, star. I'm going fast because I'm going to ask you to just draw whichever kind of tattoos you want. So that's DAngelo Russell. I hope that you enjoyed him, Evan. Maybe it looks like I have a little time left on the clock. Draw an oval. Big rectangle. Comes off the side. Diagonal line, diagonal line. And then some lines to fill out that shape. Connect them. Another square. That's a basketball hoop. And I believe that is it for DAngelo Russell. So I hope you enjoyed. Give Miss B some ideas for what we're going to draw. Not next week, because I already have an idea, but for the week after that. So thank you for drawing with me, and I'll see you soon.